Hey guys, No Gas Nico here. I want to show you what I've been working on my solar project. I don't know if you've seen my combiner box video I did, but I'm going to show you what I got going on right here. This is my rough setup. I got 100-watt panel, and there is my PowerGrow combiner box. You see right now I do have it connected to one, and in the combiner box I have ran some 8-gauge wire. I did replace those connectors with conduit, and you can see there I put O-rings on there just for added measure to keep the moisture out. I know it's on the bottom of the box, but not gonna hurt. Since the positive and negative went through separate holes, I went ahead and put a combiner box there. That way I can just run one larger conduit, buried it all the way, running it over to my house, and I got it coming up and in there. Now what I'm going to do is close this combiner box up. I got another panel coming, so let me show you something. The way I got this mounted, these are just 4x4 posts. I got 2 of them. Don't mind the condition in the yard. I had septic repairs go on. I got areas over there being reseeded, so septic repair was over here, and that's just a mess. But anyway, how did I mount these? So this here is just a corner post from fencing. So they got a 2 7/8" post. I got some 2-inch hangers, screwed them in there, and then on the back of the solar panel I attached unistrut to each side, and I got the unistrut with the 2-inch clamps here and here. And what I did, because this could rotate, I went ahead and put this to go ahead and keep it stiff. And I put this piece of wood here to be able to attach my combiner box to the 4x4. So there you go, it's a simple little way to connect it. My second panel is going to go here. My third panel is going to go here. My fourth panel is going to go here. I can go 5 across. And then what I want to do is from here I'm going to step back. I'm going to set another set of 4x4s taller, and then I'm going to run a unistrut. Let me flip the camera here. So I got 4x4s here. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to set right behind her 4x4s that go a little taller, and then I'm going to run another bar across on the taller section and run unistrut up and keep it at the right angle. And then I'll be able to, with longer unistrut, hopefully go 3 high and 5 wide and make this be a 15 panel setup. So follow along as I grow my system. Currently I'm producing maybe half a kilowatt a day off this one 100-watt panel. I will have to do some upgrades because I currently only have a 30-amp charge controller, PMV. I'm going to upgrade that to an MPPT, probably 60 amp. And as I grow this, what I'm planning on doing, so I don't have to go with a larger combiner box or more charge controllers, I'm going to go ahead and switch over from a 12-volt system. I'm going to go to the 24-volt and maybe possibly a 48-volt. That way I can keep the amperage down and still use the combiner box, because if I'm using this combiner box that has 4 connections, 4 strings, and I'm running 24 volts, I can run 2 panels in series and then 4 series together, and that will keep my amperage lower. If I did 48 volts, Then I can run 4 panels per string, and this box is capable of handling that. Since the amperage draw is going to stay the same, so I don't need larger cabling. I don't need larger controllers. If I buy a 60 amp charge controller that will do 48 volts, perfect. So again, stay tuned, watch my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can see what's going on. I have started a playlist for this, so check it out. All right, like I said, right now I got one panel. Panel number 2 is being delivered tomorrow, and I'm going to do another video on how I mounted the Unistrut, how I'm going to mount it on here. I'll videotape the whole thing, even connecting the cables and running the cables, and it'll be a good how-to. All right, thanks for watching. God bless.